The clock is ticking. The world is changing. When the end finally comes, only those prepared will make it through. These aren't gimmicks. They're the tools that keep you alive when everything else fails. From power to food, from shelter to defense, here are 30 end-of-the-world gadgets built for survival. Number 1. Jackery Explorer. Portable power station. The grid goes dark. Your phone dies. Your lights flicker out. But with the Jackery Explorer, you've got 500 watts of stored energy at your side. Charge radios, laptops, even a mini fridge. All from a box that fits in your trunk. Plug in solar panels and you've just created your own off-grid power plant. In a dead world, electricity makes you the one still living. Number 2. Katadyn Be-Free Collapsible Water Filter Bottle. Running water? Gone in hours. Bottled water? Looted in days. The Katadyn Be-Free turns any puddle into safe drinking water. Just fill and squeeze. It collapses when empty, so it barely takes space in your pack. Hydration without fear. That's survival in its purest form. Number 3. Big Agnes Copper Spur Tent. When buildings are unsafe and the night is brutal, this tent becomes your fortress. Lightweight, weatherproof, and fast to pitch. It gives you shelter in minutes. Rain, wind, snow. It stands tall. A good night's rest could mean the difference between tomorrow or never. Number 4. Benchmade Bushcrafter Knife. Tools break. Cheap knives snap. But this blade? Forged for survivalists. The Benchmade Bushcrafter carves wood, cuts rope, and even batons through logs without flinching. Simple, reliable, unbreakable. The kind of steel you trust when there's no backup plan. Number 5. Helicontex Bushcraft Satchel Bag. A backpack is bulky, but a satchel you can swing over your shoulder, that's quick and tactical. Built tough, with compartments for fire kits, knives, radios, and rations. It keeps your essentials within reach at all times. When seconds matter, you don't dig around. You grab and go. Number 6. Solo Stove. The power of fire. In your pocket. The Solo Stove burns sticks and twigs with almost no smoke, creating a hot flame that boils water fast. No gas, no fuel cans, no waste. It's warmth, it's food, it's safety. In a stainless steel cup. Number 7. GARMIN FORETREX. Maps fade. Phone GPS? Useless without signal. But the FORETREX 601 runs on replaceable batteries and locks onto satellites anywhere on Earth. It tracks your route, guides you back, and even works with night vision. In a world with no signs, this gadget is your compass to survival. Number 8. Platypus Gravity. Works water filter system. Sometimes you don't just need a sip, you need gallons. Hang it from a tree, fill the bag, and let gravity do the work. In minutes, you've got clean water for an entire camp without pumping or chemicals. It's survival. Made simple. Number 9. Cry Precision 2.0. Plate Carrier. In chaos, the biggest threat might not be zombies, it's other people. This lightweight body armor rig keeps you fast, mobile, and protected. Slip in ballistic plates and suddenly you've got a shield you wear. Mobility plus protection equals survival edge. Number 10. Eaton Scorpion. 2 emergency radio and charger. A crank, a solar panel, a flashlight, and a radio, all in one rugged tool. Charge your phone, hear emergency alerts, and shine through the darkness. No power? No problem. This little beast doesn't just play music, it plays hope. Number 11. BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro. Hands-free, powerful beam, endless battery. This headlamp blasts 800 lumens and recharges with USB or solar. It fits like a second skin, so you can run, climb, or work through the night without even noticing it's there. When darkness swallows the world, light on your forehead means freedom. Number 12. MSR Guardian Purifier. Pump. Some water is worse than death. Toxic, filthy, deadly. The MSR Guardian doesn't just filter, it purifies, removing viruses, bacteria, and chemicals from almost any source. Built for the military, it works even in freezing mud. Clean water in poisoned lands? That's survival. Number 13. Therm A-Rest Sleeping Pad. The ground steals heat faster than air. One night on frozen soil could end you. This sleeping pad insulates with advanced tech, reflecting warmth back to your body. It's light, compact, and tough enough for Arctic explorers. In the end times, comfort isn't luxury, it's life insurance. Number 14. Silky Katana Boy Folding Saw. Trees block roads, branches block escape routes. The Silky Katana Boy unfolds into a massive handsaw that can cut down trees without gas or noise. Silent, efficient, and devastatingly sharp. When chainsaws run out of fuel, this is the blade that keeps cutting. Number 15. Fjellraven Greenland Jacket. Acid rain, freezing wind, endless storms. This jacket is wax-treated, water-resistant, and built to survive decades of abuse. It's gear trusted by Arctic explorers, now ready for your wasteland journey. Because when the sky turns against you, armor isn't always steel. Number 16. Leatherman Signal. Multi-tool. Pliers, knife, saw, hammer, fire starter. 19 tools in one. The Leatherman Signal is like carrying a mini toolbox in your pocket. Repair gear, cut wire, spark fires, tighten bolts. When the world falls apart, the one with tools becomes the builder. Number 17. Excalibur Crossbow. Matrix GRZ2. Guns are loud. Ammo runs dry. A crossbow? Silent, reusable, deadly. The Matrix GRZ2 is compact, powerful, and accurate, enough to hunt game or defend against intruders without giving away your position. When stealth means survival, this is your silent weapon. Number 18. SAWYER PICARIDIN Insect Repellent Lotion. The undead aren't the only threat. Mosquitoes, ticks, and disease spread fast when cities fall. SAWYER's Picaridin lotion keeps bugs away for 14 hours without the toxic smell of DEET. In a broken world, the smallest bite could be your biggest danger. Number 19. JetBoil Flash Cooking System. You can live without luxury, but not without warm food. The JetBoil Flash boils water in 100 seconds, faster than you can set up camp. Lightweight, efficient, and built for speed. In survival, hot food isn't comfort, it's morale. Number 20. DJI Mavic Mini Drone. In the wasteland, information is gold. The Mavic Mini Drone scouts ahead silently, maps terrain, spots threats, and even records evidence. It fits in your hand but gives you eyes in the sky. While others stumble blind, you'll see the world from above. Number 21. Kelly Kettle. Boil water anywhere, using just twigs and leaves. The Kelly Kettle heats fast even in storms, and doubles as a cooking stove. No fuel, no waste, just pure survival firepower. When resources vanish, this kettle keeps the water safe and the food hot. Number 22. Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Series. A cut in the wild can turn deadly. This med kit is stocked for serious emergencies, trauma supplies, wound closure, meds, and burn care. All sealed and organized for fast access. In the apocalypse, a small kit could mean the difference between infection or survival. Number 23. GERBER STRONGARM Fixed Blade Knife. Built for combat, trusted by soldiers. The GERBER STRONGARM has a full-tang steel blade that can pry, chop, and strike without breaking. Tough enough for defense, sharp enough for daily survival tasks. This isn't a knife, it's a battle partner. Number 24. Thermacell MR450 Mosquito Repeller. Silent killers buzz in the night too. The Thermacell creates a 15-foot zone that repels mosquitoes with heat-activated mats. No sprays, no smell, no bites. When sleep is rare, this gadget makes the night a little safer. Number 25. RADEX RD1503 plus Geiger counter. You can't see radiation, you can't smell it, but it can kill you in days. The RADEX RD1503 plus Geiger counter detects nuclear fallout, hotspots, and contaminated areas instantly. In a post-nuclear world, this little box could be the reason you live to see another sunrise. Number 26. Survivor Filter Pro X Desalination and Pump. Oceans cover the planet, but drinking salt water kills. The Survivor Filter Pro X removes salt, bacteria, and chemicals, turning seawater into life-saving hydration. Run it by USB or manual pump. When fresh water disappears, this gadget unlocks the sea. Number 27. UCO Stormproof. Matches kit. Wind, rain, snow. Nothing stops these. Strike once and these matches burn even underwater. Each match lasts 15 seconds, long enough to start a fire in hell itself. Fire is survival. Number 28. Alpkit Kraku Titanium Stove. Tiny, light, powerful. This titanium stove weighs less than an apple but can boil a pot of water in minutes. It screws right onto small fuel canisters for quick meals anywhere. When speed matters, this stove answers. Number 29. Petzl Tactica Core Headlamp. Stealth matters. This tactical headlamp has red and green light modes to keep you hidden, plus long-lasting rechargeable power. Perfect for scouting without being spotted. In survival, sometimes being unseen is as important as seeing. Number 30. Kaito Voyager Emergency Radio. When the airwaves go silent, the Kaito Voyager keeps you connected. Solar, hand crank, and USB charging. It plays AM, FM, SW, and NOAA weather alerts. It even charges your phone. In the apocalypse, information is as critical as food. 30 gadgets. 30 lifelines. When the world finally falls silent, which one would you trust with your life? Comment your pick below. And don't forget to subscribe for more survival gear, because the end of the world may not be today, but when it comes, only the ready will remain.